As you can see, you see that girl skating? No, you don't. Okay. She's gonna die pretty soon.
Oh my gosh, hold on, we gotta stop that one.
Dude, we gotta save that battery for what
So,
the big house is talking, right?
We are live here in India. And you see my daughters are skating over here. Yeah, they're skating. Say hi.
Don't talk to strangers.
Okay, mija, go. As you can see, she fell. It's okay, mija.
Where's your yoke? How do I look at that?
You look
Pretty
terrible.
ugly.
So, as you guys can see, we are here in India, and you know, lions and tigers and bears, you know, they're all out here, you know.
Let's go to the beach.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to the beach. No, go to the park. The other way, the other way, the other way, the other way. So, we are on our way to the Amazon River here in India. As you can see, lions and tigers and bears, they're all around here, you know. And we're gonna fucking crash. And oh shit. But yeah. So, you know, India is a very dangerous place. As you can see, in India, we love to run the streets, and you know, so yeah, it's pretty fun out here. But you know, there's one thing about India that you know people don't like. You know, they're scared to get shot at or something. So you don't know. Oh shit! We just crashed into the Amazon River. Back up, alligators!
Dude, how you gonna get
Push me, nigga, push me. Come on. This is our new car. You know, these are new in India. We call them Mustangs. And that there is Karina's car. You know, she has like 15 kids with a black man. And so we're gonna go around in circles. We're gonna show them the Amazon forest. Here you see dogs must be on a leash because you know out here you know the animals don't play, so your dog better be on a leash if you come out here, bitch. So yeah, that's almost about it. But we just have to what do you call it? I think we better get this wheelchair home before my mother gets really mad at us. And yeah.
Yeah, here, you can push. I don't want to get
So guys, hold on, wait, I see a snake, Hold on, let me button up my jacket. It's getting chilly out here, you know.
I'm cold.
So we gotta go back home right now. Oh shit, we about to. Okay. As you see in India, we don't like Indians, you know. So we gotta oh shit, about to break. Oh shit, start out, I'm scared. Go to the right. I guess they left me to wheel myself, and if I drop the laptop, it's their fault. You know, we have to get this shit home before my mother comes outside looking for us, and she sees that see all these people is looking at us like we are retarded. But you know, so yeah, that was Amazon forest. If you ever want to come back, you know, just tune in. We here at the big house every day. You know, we patrol the block. And as you can see, this is my chauffeur in the back. Watch out before I crash, sir. So yeah, let's get this shit popping. Shit. All right, so it's till next time. I'll see you again.